Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a tutorial on how to block any Android application from accessing internet. To do this, you do not need to root your Android smartphone. Just go to the Google Play Store and search for this app, NetGuard No Root Firewall. Install it. And open the application. At the beginning, you will see this message. If you want to use this app, you must agree with their privacy policy. Tap on I agree. This is the interface of NetGuard. Here you can see a list of installed programs which are installed on this device. On the left top corner of this application there is the NetGuard logo, and beside of this logo there is a circled button. If I tap on this, the NetGuard will be enabled. Let's tap on this. After I tapped on this, there is a message showing that it wants to make a VPN connection on this mobile. Tap on OK. And here is the connection request window. If I tap on OK, a VPN connection for this app will be created. I tapped on OK, and from this window select Do Not Ask Again and tap on OK. Your settings will be open. This is the battery optimization window. From here, find out the NetGuard application. Here is NetGuard. There are two options are available for this application, which I can optimize or I can't optimize. If I optimize, it will increase my battery life, but as because I want to keep this application run in the background, this is why I am selecting Do Not Optimize. Select it and done. Yes, settings is complete. From the list of these apps, you can see there is a logo in the left, and there is the name of the app is written on it, and on the right side there are two logos in green color. One is Wi-Fi logo and the other is mobile operator logo. If I tap on the Wi-Fi logo, it will become like this, and if I tap again, it will become green. If I tap on the mobile operator logo, it will also turn orange. Orange means it is enabled for this app, and being green means it is not enabled. Let's enable for Google Chrome. At first, see whether we can browse with Google Chrome or not. Let's type google.com. Yes, we can access the internet. Type another website, facebook.com. See here that Facebook also opened. That means we can access the internet. Let's enable NetGuard for Google Chrome and see What happens? I tapped on the Wi-Fi logo and it turned orange. Let's see whether we can browse now or not. Type here google.com. See, the google.com has been stuck and there is no incoming data. If I type facebook.com, it is also stuck and showing a message that this site can't be reached. This means NetGuard is working. Let's disable it. I disabled Google Chrome from NetGuard and see what happened. I typed Google again and enter. Yes, now it's transferring data. By this way, you can turn off internet access for any application which is installed on your Android smartphone. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.